Hi, this is Group 5. Our topic today is environmental value. To begin with, environmental economics focused on how to use and manage finite resources in a manner that serves the population while meeting concerns about environmental impact. Take Australia and Taiwan for example. From the wetlands of Kakadu National Park to the tropical rainforest of Tarkin, Australia has the richest natural environment in the world, but still relies on mining and the most environmentally harmful energy, fossil fuels, to develop its economy. As for Taiwan, our energy self-sufficiency rate is less than 0.6%. 70% of foodstuff is imported. This makes green economy far more difficult for us to pursue. Therefore, strike the balance between environment protection and economic development is essential. To solve this issue, we consider cost-benefit analysis and externality internalization, the proper methods to find out the optimal solution.
My part is to talk about the cost and benefit analysis of different groups. Developers. For developers, if they want to develop green technology, they will have to invest lots of capitals to make it more efficient and eco-friendly, which is usually much more expensive than the cost they are spending in the short run, but it will decrease the cost in the long run. Also, the more effort the developers put on the environment, the better reputation they can receive. The better reputation a company has, the more consumers who care about the environment will be attracted. However, with the expense of the product increased, the company usually will raise the price, which might let them lose part of its consumers. The general public. For the general public, they can usually enjoy the high quality products. For example, eco-friendly products are usually more durable and less toxic for the environment. However, higher quality equals higher prices. Therefore, consumers usually need to spend more money. Other benefits are the environment with less external costs. Companies will start to face and deal with externality. Even though the general public can enjoy lots of benefits, there are still some disadvantages such as losing the opportunity of tourism since some of the tourist attractions might be protected and banned from entering.
Hello, Professor. Now I am going to talk about part 2 of our analysis, which is externality. As you can see in this diagram, there is an external cost occurring because the social marginal cost does not equal the personal marginal cost. And without any outer measures, we will be at the free market equilibrium, which is point A. But in order to achieve the maximum social welfare, we will hope to be at point B, because there will be no dead weight loss at point B. So in order to achieve the new social welfare, we need to internalize the external cost, which is moving the personal marginal cost to the social marginal cost. And by that way, we can eliminate the dead weight loss and achieve maximum social welfare. In the next section, we will try to achieve this by our recommendations.
Next part is our recommendation. The extra cost brought by internalization externality may become a financial burden for the government or may be shifted to consumer. Therefore, we suggest emulating the carbon trade-like policy, where the extra costs are traded as commodities to achieve a market-oriented mechanism, reach more economically effective ecological protection goals. We can propose a formula to calculate the additional costs incurred in complying with regulations, with these four indicators, and convert them into tradable targets for market transactions. In addition, also consider expected emission reduction goals with long-term management and timely fee adjustments. And we also provide several recommended viable measures. First, providing fast implementation space, such as cooperating with NGOs or environmental conservation organizations to reduce costs and offset the losses, and meanwhile achieve goals together. And after that, we can come up with charter or a license to encourage both of them to act in more sustainable practices, which also can help them to raise awareness of ESG, and as well to educate the public about the critical situation of the current ecological environment to raise awareness and encourage individuals to make conscious choices. Besides, coupled with related tax policies, subsidies, and the polluter pays principle, we can stimulate low energy production processes and assist companies in transforming their operation. We think all of this can weigh the pros and cons of the both purchase. And this is the end of our presentation, our preference page and word distribution. Thank you for listening.